The Zulus are going to be called the enemies of peace. And many are going to be destroyed. My eyes cry for all my brothers and sisters who are in position of leadership in South Africa. I pray for you all because you do not see. You do not see that foreign murderers are at work in our country. It suits them in their great banks in America. It suits them in their great palaces in England. It suits them in their dens in France that Africa should starve and their children should perish. It suits them, yes. It suits them. Don't you see?
Drama.
Vamos, Joaquim.
eKZN ngibingelele ubaba uMphephethu. Phakela umthakathi siyabingelela siyi-MK Party mfowethu. Macingwane ngizwe siyanibingelela mfowethu. Jacinta Ngobese Zoom siyanibingelela bafowethu.
Hawu kuthiwa ke lona wesilisa ke okudabuka eNigeria gcine zimkhalela impela ke kuthiwa impela ke insizwa bengasavibeki impela kuthiwa bakasidlodlo bathi bazame kwakuyivimba zathi zifika lapha epoint insizwa hayi impela kuxolani umfoka Khumalo umbulazi kaMashobane ehamba nongizo umlando umfoka kaMchunu nophakela umthakathi umfoka kaNdabandaba kuthiwa bengasazwile bizavele zaqonda ngqo zangena ngqo emafletini labepoint hawu hayi twinto eziyenze lapha twazifike kuthiwa zabuya nazo zaseyibuye nazo idakameza impela kwathiwa yini le zayikhalela kanjalo kwezinti ezamasongo kasigonyela lensizwa lena ka kwabheda kanjalo ke kuleyo ndondo njengoba niyibona ke manje sibanjwe abakwasidlodlo bebefuna nje ukwenza iproof befuna ukhipha iproof nje ukuthi ke njengoba simasha sehla senyuka nje sithi labantu asibafuni ukuthi sesive izathu kungathiwa basukelwa yini le angisekhulunywa kakhulu ukuthi abahlukunyezwa kudlalwa ngabo yini le cabanga ke ngenkathi kumashwe ngabe ongenani kumuntu ke uhloniphile kwafihla lezo zinto zakhe ke noma ke wazisusa kodwa phela because bane arrogance uthe nje hayi mina yebangena life letini badlala lento lezoziyekazi nje bayazi ba protected baphothi ukuthi amaphoyisa hawu this time ke mfana kithi bahambe wrong hayi bahambe wrong she ayike sithi ke cela ni subscribe ni like ni share andulo siyaqandula shibirishi siyashibilika dango